Hi, this is Tom with Peace of Mind Property Management, and I want to talk to you about a few things that are going to make your property management company valuable. Okay, so let's start hitting the major things that's going to give you the most money when you sell your property management company. So, obviously, the top things for they're going to give you value is number one is going to be your how much revenue does it have and your net profit. Okay, right out the gate, realistic net profit, realistic revenue is going to be a huge thing, and this means the second thing is, are your books done correctly? So how clean are your books? Are your books accounted for correctly? Okay, so that's going to be a really big deal for you if you're doing your property, selling your property management company, because nobody wants to see a mess of a books, and nobody wants to handle. I fish a lot, right? When I go fly fishing with friends, if they hand me a tangled line, nobody wants that tangled line that you have to, take out all those tangles about. So people don't want that. So you need to have clean books. The next thing that you need to have is, for me, in my humble opinion, is you need to have great properties that you manage. Sometimes people don't want to manage properties that are really, they're not high income making. They're a lot of labor. They're a lot of headaches. People don't want that, right? That's kind of just the way anything is. People want nice things. And if you have good properties that you're managing that have good rents, good renters, good owners, I think that's a very valuable thing. And the last thing is people want things that they don't have to be the person. If you're the person in charge, the superhero, once the superhero goes, then they have to have a new superhero. And a lot of people, when they buy companies, they're not ready to be that next superhero. So the less involvement you have is probably the better. So it can be an easy transition to the next one. So if you're running your business as a superhero, figure out how you kind of step away from that and have more systems take over your properties. So just a few hints. I hope that helps. If you'd like to talk about it more, give me a shout. I'd love to talk to you about how to sell your property management company.